Hello, everyone. So, among some of the finds, there's a couple of the finds from yesterday that Angelo has had me pick out that were all right there where I placed him down, and these were like around. You see what I mean? Okay, among some of these that are like, this is all loaded with flash, the rose quartz, tourmaline, clear quartz, like the dark lunar quartz. It's all loaded with flash. Even the tourmaline has the rainbow flash, like you would see in the Moonstone and Labradorite. You can see the sugar quartz pieces with clusters and the heart shape. Strawberry Amethyst with the rose quartz on the bottom. Another piece that is multiple, the rose quartz, the amethyst, like, holy shit, dude. With the tourmaline all through it, sugar quartzes, the glorious healer, another one. Um, these pieces are just outstanding. Alright, see, check this one out too. Not only are some of these all like hagstone out, right? Um, but you can't really see this different. Whoops, get it in so you can see it. Rose quartz, clear quartz, white quartz, all in different with actual top with cluster chunks. Um, all of this stuff, like, and a flash all through it all. Sugar quartz that's like the seafloor. A bunch of this dark lunar quartz, sugar quartz with heart-shaped chunks of quartz in them. This is like a beautiful sea sculpture of the quartz and everything with the dark lunar quartz at the, all exposed. But this, sitting on this strawberry amethyst, this is the lunar rose quartz. It is also a hagstone pendant. The hole goes all the way through, so you can see through it. It is like a pendant of lunar rose quartz. Now, this was all done over millions of years because rocks are millions of years old. Let me set him back down. Millions of years old. This was carved out. All by nature. Nature has carved this all out. You got the, oh, let me go in. You got the two eyes and the nose mouth area here. It is a lunar rose quartz crystal skull carved out by the water over millions of years. Lunar rose quartz crystal skull. Millions of years it took to carve that out of this lunar rose quartz. This is an ancient, nature carved lunar rose quartz crystal skull. How many millions of years do you think it took to carve this lunar rose quartz crystal skull? This was not mined and carved by man. This is all done over millions of years by nature itself. Nature itself carved this lunar rose quartz crystal skull over the period of millions of years.